Now we are going to see iloc. Iloc is another index label which can be used to get the sub values from a data frame or a series. Okay, so what this is doing, let us see, this used to access group of rows or columns based on the numeric index value. Here the difference is that if you mention 0 column 2, it will take only 0 and 1. The 2 will not be taken. That is iloc. Okay, it will give you only 0 and 1. But in case of loc of 0 column 2, what was the case? 0, 1 and 2 would have come. Rows I am talking about, rows or columns. Okay, that is the difference between loc and iloc. We will see the example program and let us see how it is done. And simply if we mention the column, then all the in row or column, then entire row or column will come respectively in the respective part. So the first example is similar to the previous runs that we have previously created, the same data frame. Okay, dictionary of dictionary has been created from which the data frame df is there. You can see this data frame already. Now let us concentrate on the iloc. Okay, the first iloc statement is in the 9th one, where you can see that df.iloc 0 column 2 comma 1 column 2. So what is it? 0 column 2 is the row corresponding value, 1 column 2 is the column corresponding value. To access first 2 rows and second column, this is the way. To access first 2 rows, what are the first 2 rows? Quarter 1 and quarter 2 are there. This is actually 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. But what is happening here? 0 and 1 will come. I told you in iloc, even if you mention 2, this will not be coming. Right? This will not be coming. So 0 column 2 means only the 2 rows. But the entire row will not be taken. Only a few values from the row will be taken. What are those values? 1 column 2. You are accessing only the 1. So this is the 0th column, first column, second column. What we are mentioning? 1 column 2. So 2 will not be taken, I told you here. If 2 is mentioned, 2 will not be taken. So this part will be taken. What will be the answer? Wipro. Okay, what is meeting here? This column, in this row, this column. So what will be the output? Only Wipro data will be printed because column is mentioning like that. Okay, row means the entire row like this, quarter 1 and quarter 2. Okay, so 0 column 2 means 0th row and first row. 2 will not be taken. Okay, now so that is the row value. These 2 rows will be there. And what is column corresponding value? 1 column 2. 1 column 2 means 2 will not be included, which means 1. This is it. So what is the meeting part? Quarter 1 2800, quarter 2 2400. So this will be the output of that statement. Okay, now the second print statement, df iloc all the rows. You can see that only column is mentioned, which means that all the rows. And what are the columns? Columns are 0 and 1. 2 will not be included, right? So 0 and 1 column. So what are 0 and 1 column? TCS and Wipro and all the rows in it. So this will be the output. You can see it here. This will be the output. Now head and tail method. Head and tail method, we know that when you mention head function, Head function will give you by default 5 values from the series, 5 rows from the series. Tail means the last 5. Okay, head means the first 5, tail means the last 5. But you can mention a number there. Head of 3 means the first 3 values. Head of 4 means first 4 values. But if you don't mention any value inside, then by default it will be taking 5 rows. Okay, tail will take the value from the end. Okay, so we have this problem here which is creating a data frame of lists in which you can have, you can see that first column is actually in the first value dictionary is a list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values are there, which means 6 rows will be created. You can see that data frame here already created. First row is, first column is DOJ, second column is EMPID, third column is ename, employee name. Okay, the data frame is shown here. Now we are printing df of head. In this line, we are printing df of head and the second line df of tail. Okay, so what will happen when you do this statement? So this is the head value. The first, you know that we have 6 rows in the data frame. So if we are printing only df dot head, this one, without mentioning the value here, first 5 value will be printed. You can see that first 5 rows are taken because of the statement. Head function displays first 5 rows. What are the first 5 rows? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last one is not taken. Okay. Now tail, df dot tail. Df of tail means the first row will not be included because it is having the value from the end, right? So last 5 rows will be displayed. So 0th row will not be displayed. 0th row, you cannot see 0th row here. It is taking the last 5 rows. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. What is the first 5 rows? The first 5 rows are this one. This is head of this. And what is last 5 rows? The last 5 rows are this one. This is tail function. Okay. This is tail function which is marked in red. And what is head function? The first 5 rows which is marked as blue. Okay. So this is what happened. Now if you want to mention 2 inside the head function, which means the first 2 rows will be taken. And if you want to take last 2 rows, that is also possible. How can you do that? Let us see this example here. Head of 2, tail of 2, then df of 2 colon 5. So second row to 5th row. What will happen? Let us see if the 5th row is also taken or not. So head of row, head of 2. Head of 2 means first 2 rows from the data frame. So this is printed here. First head of 2. First 2 rows of the data frame is printed here. Now tail of 2. What is tail of 2? Last 2 rows of the data frame. You see, last 2 rows of the data frame will be printed when you print tail of 2. Okay. The last print statement is actually df of 2 colon 5. This is the last one. So starting from the second row, third row will be printed, fourth row will be printed. Will it print fifth row? Usually not. Fifth row will not be printed. That is how the normal way of Python. Last index is mentioned, but we are not taking last index. Okay. So 2, 3 and 4. these rows will be printed when you mention 2 colon 5. Let us see if the output is correct or not. 2, 3 and 4. This much will be printed. This was the, okay, see, you can see it here, excluding the fifth one, you print second row, third, that means index 2 row, index 3 row and index 4th row. Okay. So this is head and tail function.